past President Rotarian Zarif, thank you for that magnanimous introduction of mine. And probably that phone wasn't celebrating. It was Ram who was telling you that it's enough. You did not take the cue from Ram because Ram had gone to sleep. And the count on your virtual platform was 220. It has come down to 198. So probably 22 of them have left the platform saying that this is not going to end. Ram, do you want me to cut down on my? I'm talking after those two best of speakers.
Not to worry, sir. If 198 have got the story, I think that's wonderful.
Nahi, sir. Nahi, Fazal bhai, please. We are eagerly waiting to hear you.
Thank you, Zarif. Thank you, Ram. Changemaker President Rotarian Girish, 87th President of this wonderful club, His Gracious First Lady, Madam Priya, Changemaker Secretary Rotarian Gauri Oza Ma'am, Skyrocking Immediate Past President Rotarian Vincent Raj, Chief Guest this evening Dr. Mahesh Kotbagi, RI Director, and of course Guest of Honor, Honorable Consul for Austria, Mr. Vagesh Dixit, the most accomplished and illustrious past Rotary International Director of our District 3190, who is none other than our own Panduranga Shetty sir. As Vagesh Dixit said, he is the Neve ki Eent in this edifice of RCB and RI District 3190. Zone Governor Rotarian PV Rai, Zone Secretary Shobha Ma'am, Assistant Governor Piyush Jain, District Secretaries DLV, Keshav and Harini, Changemaker Presidents, Changemaker District Board, Changemaker Rotarians of this wonderful club, galaxy of past district governors, Inner Wheel Sisters, Rotractors, Friends in Rotary, Friends of Rotary, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all. Ellargu namaskara. It's my profound privilege and a great pleasure to be present at one of the largest and oldest club, RCB Bangalore of District 3190, who has given our District 3190 8 committed and able governors. I am here to be present at this installation ceremony where our dear friend, Changemaker President Girish just got installed. Dear friends, I would like to pay my respects to past district governor, late Captain V.V.K. Mani, who was my district governor when I was the president of my club in the year 1997 and 98. I just can't forget to remember him because he was the person who showed to me that Rotary cares. This club is not only producing good leaders at the club, but has built leadership beyond the club. We have about 18 changemaker leaders from RCB Bangalore who serve in District 3190, Team 2122. I have a whole list of 18 names. Because of paucity of time, I will not be going through. I'll be sharing this. Right from, we have 2 councillors, assistant governor, directors, chairmen, and committee members from this wonderful club. I'm very happy that you have given 18 such jewels to District 3190 when we are going to be the change makers who serve and change a lot of lives. Let me congratulate Sky Dr. Vincent Raj and his entire team for setting new benchmarks for Changemaker President Rotarian Girish and his team. And hearty congratulations to just installed Changemaker President, the role model of this club of District 3190, Girish Ramanathan and Secretary Gauri Oza Ma'am and the entire team of club officers on assuming office to serve to change lives. On this day, as there is a change of guard at the club, the Rotarians come with new vision, new aspirations and renewed focus on various projects and programs that are going to be rolled out to address the needs of the community and thus serve the cause of Rotary. Changemaker President Rotarian Girish and his team have the club plans and programs firmed up to ensure another meaningful and purposeful Rotary year. Last year, dear friends, Our challenges were turned into opportunities by our own IPDG, Rotarian Nagendra Prasad, and his gracious and Meera Prasad at the district. And Vincent at your club also turned those opportunities into a lot of challenges, those challenges into opportunities, and he did serve at your club. It is now on us to convert these opportunities and continue to serve to change lives. This new year, we have promises to keep, difficulties to overcome, and achieve something significant for ourselves and help the needy in the process. We will encourage as many persons as we can to join Rotary and tell them that this is the organization which provides the opportunity to move from a life of success to a life of significance. Success represents the accomplishments and accolades we build up for ourselves. Significance represents the lasting accomplishments we attain for others. Significance is the truest spirit of service. Significance is our legacy. As Rotarians, my dear friends, we will be remembered and judged not for how successful we were, but for how significant we became. I consider that our Rotary motto, service above self, means working as hard as one can, not for self, but for others. It means achieving as much as one can to make other people's lives better. We heard our guest of honor telling all about that when he was quoting Mother Teresa. It means looking at our effort not in terms of what it costs us, but in terms of what we can give. In the end, our worth will be measured not by how much we acquired, but by how much we gave. Do not forget to thank the ones who gave you the privilege, he said. That is what Mother Teresa told. And he understood that after 28 years of his age. And I think we have understood that now. So we have to give that privilege to the ones who gave us that privilege. As Rotarians, we shall use our talents, expertise, and leadership as an opportunity to serve to change lives. Each and every one of you is a change maker. And my dear friends, Rotary is the platform which Almighty has given all of us. Remember always that as our very own Rotary International President, Rotarian Shekhar Mehtaji says, no, it's not the magnitude of what we do that matters. It is the attitude with which we serve that matters. It is with this commitment that Rotary International has served humanity for the last 116 years and has today impacted millions of lives globally. We have excellent and energetic presidents this year, full of enthusiasm for the new Rotary year. We did see Girish and his enthusiasm and his energy this evening right over this platform. And there are many changemaker presidents on this platform who have come to say hello to Girish and congratulate him. I'm sure all of them are as energized as our dear friend Girish. The challenge of COVID has not dimmed them at all. On the contrary, they have taken on the challenge and geared up to be the change makers. We look forward to entering this year as a collaborative and a committed team. Dear friends, as all of you know, COVID has been one of the greatest challenges to the mankind in recent times. Yet it has also brought out the innate goodness in mankind. Rotarians themselves have been COVID warriors, bringing succor and help to the sick, their families, and to those affected by loss of income. It has changed our way, my dear friends. The change our life. Society has been impacted in several ways, physically, emotionally, and economically. Never before has there been a greater need to join hands and support each other. This challenge continues, and it is my earnest request to you all to continue the good work which you have been doing. This pandemic has altered the way clubs function, but this hasn't dampened the Rotary enthusiasm and spirit. Just in the fellowship time, our dear friend Ram was asking all the past presidents how did they feel about this installation and what installations they remember. And they said that This was the first time Rotary Bangalore is going to have a virtual platform. And of course, I know that hasn't dampened your spirits. We need to continue with all the good work to help the sick and those adversely impacted. We have lost several wonderful people from our own Rotary family, and it has left us heartbroken. And we lost a lot of near and dear ones. Let us dedicate this year, 21-22, a year of service in their memory, my dear friends. Rotary International President Shekhar Mehtaji has set performance goals for our district, and I'm sure and believe this team of 155 changemaker presidents are prepared to meet these expectations. The primary goals are to increase our impact through service and expand our reach by introducing new members to Rotary. His membership mantra is to encourage each one of us to bring one member to Rotary. Let me congratulate Girish and his team for inducting about 20 new members this evening and 9 lady Rotarians. Congratulations, Girish and team, for this wonderful induction of 20 new jewels to Rotary Bangalore. I'm sure they are going to be the jewels in your necklace. He has emphasized the need to empower girls by addressing inequities that they face worldwide, by improving their health, well-being, education, and economic security, and ensure access to resources. He wants us to celebrate Rotary Days of Service by collaborating and conducting hands-on service activities with members of the community to show that Rotary cares. Rotary has given me and you and to us sacred trust and vital credentials. For me, Rotary itself is a message. It is a living and vital message, and its conveyance to men and women around us is timely and urgent. I believe the glorious meaning of Rotary must first glow within us and then radiate to others. Let us support our Rotary Foundation. We have been benevolently giving through the TRF, caring for the community globally. Now is the time, my dear changemaker leaders. We have to make use of the opportunity which has come our way, which is considered to be the highest level of giving. Every Rotary club has to help raise contributions to TRF from the personal and professional circle. Encourage every Rotarian every year. District 3190 emphasizes Rotary clubs to collaborate as Sahyoga partners. Sahyoga is partnering of 2 Rotary clubs from city and 1 non-city Rotary club. You have Rotary Bangalore and Rotary Abilities as 2 Rotary clubs from the city, and then you have BG Nagara, Rotary Club of BG Nagara as a partner from a non-city club. I would just like to say what Sahyoga is. Sahyoga, in consonance with one of the buzzwords of Rotary year 21-22, was collaborate. Sahyoga has been initiated by our district 3190 to forge alliance between Bangalore-based Rotary clubs and the Rotary clubs based outside Bangalore city. Sahyoga envisions 2 Bangalore-based clubs to partner with 1 outside Bangalore club to work in tandem to roll out need-based service projects, laying emphasis on all the 7 areas of Rotary focus, encourage fellowship among the members, organize joint meetings and cultural exchange programs periodically to foster the spirit of Rotary. All the projects under Sahyoga will be executed at the respective areas to which the non-city clubs belong to. The dream project of District 3190 is Hosa Belaku. Its adoption of slums by Rotary International District with the help of Bangalore City Police. Rotary International President 21-22, Rotarian Shekhar Mehtaji, has encouraged the members across the globe to be the change makers, synonym with the theme of the year, serve to change lives. Hosa Belaku, in tune with the RI theme 21-22, we wish to change the lives of the underprivileged living in about 600 odd slums in Namma Bengaluru in association with Bangalore City Police. The project envisages Rotary clubs in Bangalore to adopt a slum at least and offer need-based service encompassing all the Rotary's 7 areas of focus with emphasis on girl empowerment. The world needs Rotary now more than ever, my dear friends. It is up to us to make sure that Rotary opens opportunities for generations to come. Shekhar Mehtaji has urged Rotarians to be more involved in service projects. He has emphasized caring for and serving others is the best way to live, as it changes not only others' life but our own lives as well. Change is only constant in life, and let us serve towards bringing about qualitative change in lives of those around us. When we do so, we will contribute in making the world a better place to live in. Let's make Rotary an organization of choice that does not need marketing, my dear friends. Let me thank on behalf of myself and Sabiha, and I take this opportunity to thank you for all your love and affection, and look forward to standing shoulder to shoulder with you for all that you do to create lasting legacies in our community. I want to thank every one of you for giving me the privilege of serving as your district governor. There are far too many people to thank by name for the tremendous support I receive every day and day in and day out. As change makers, our priority in the Rotary at 2122 is to serve to change lives by engaging with our Rotarians, Rotary families, the communities we serve, the stakeholders we work with, and see to it that we empower all of them and then work in collaboration to celebrate Rotary. My dear leaders and my dear friends here, let us pray to Almighty, the Creator, give us knowledge which is beneficial and sustenance which is fair and good, and deeds which are acceptable to one and all. Thank you, my dear friends, for this opportunity. Thank you, Girish. Thank you, everyone, for this lovely opportunity. Let's be the change makers to serve and change a lot of lives. Thank you.